Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the Prodigy Flip is almost here. The revolutionized crypto trading app that's going to help me and you trade at a high level, and it's almost here. You see the renderings right now. Now, they did some things on the X page to showing a little bit of a preview of this great technology. You see the interface, the front here, PMPY, Ethereum, and on this page, you see the confirm and password here. All blue and black and ready to go here. Almost ready to go. So check out Prometheum Prodigy right now. And right now, also, it's actually a good time to go ahead and dive in and get a couple more tokens. You get reflections on every buy and sell when you get Prometheum Prodigy in your crypto wallet. So get it right now, and liquidity is still locked for 6 months as well. Now, if you don't know what Prodigy Flip is all about, it's an AI-powered decentralized crypto trading mobile application. It's progressing expected like Ethereum. What I love about this is the interface, the AI integration, and it's something that's a beginning software that's supposed to help people trade at a high level. And I did some research the other day. There's over 9,000 crypto projects as in right now. Now, this is a little bit more information about what it looks like, and I like their interface. Blue is my favorite color, but I do like the green candles as well, and I believe it will follow with the Prometheum Prodigy, secure wallet, and more things as well. Now, one good reason why to hold Prometheum Prodigy is the projection. I did a Captain spreadsheet projection here, and the 500 million and 1 billion, if you're holding a good amount of tokens of Prometheum Prodigy, you can see your numbers going up as well here. I see big time numbers. Find where you're positioned at, and let's go ahead and do this together. The buybacks and burns has been full in effect all year long in 2024, and they will probably continue here as well. As I continue going through here, check out the website because the website's legit, and the Prometheum Prodigy is almost ready to go in terms of the Prodigy Flip. So check it out. You may flip out when you see more things happening down the road with Prometheum Prodigy. And of course, check out the actual token itself. It's on sale and it's ready for you to grab it. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. I'll see you in the next video.